Hello friends, welcome to Stock Updates. Today we are going to do fundamental analysis of Banco products. Banco Products is a small cap company, stalwart in the automotive components industry, has evolved significantly since its inception in 1961, spanning over 6 decades. This Indian company has not only expanded its product range but has also established a global footprint, solidifying its position as a prominent player in the automotive ancillary sector. Diverse product portfolio. Banco Products specializes in two primary product categories: engine cooling systems and sealing systems. Their impressive product lineup encompasses radiators, oil coolers, manufacturing and construction equipment, both domestically and internationally. Global reach. With 3 production facilities and an extensive network of 11 warehousing and distribution sites, Banco Products efficiently serves customers in the United States and European countries. Revenue streams. A substantial portion of Banco's revenue comes from international operations, contributing to 58.5% of the total revenue in FY23. Exports, in particular, accounted for 15.0% of their revenue, with the remaining 26.5% generated from domestic sales. This demonstrates the company's prowess in catering to global demands. Financial strength. Banco Products' financial performance tells a compelling story. Their revenue surged at a CAGR of 10.5% from 1,567 crore rupees in FY19 to 2,332 crore rupees in FY23. More impressively, net profits grew at a brisk annualized rate of 29.7%, climbing from 83 crore rupees to 236 crore rupees during the same period. Its operating profit margins expanded from 10% in FY19 to a robust 13.9% in FY23. This remarkable operational efficiency translated into a net profit margin of 10.1% in FY23, up from a mere 4.4% in FY19. Return ratios paint a picture of consistent growth and profitability. Return on capital employed and return on equity surged from 17.2% and 8.3% in FY19 to 26.2% and 23.5% in FY23, reflecting the company's sustained profitability. Debt analysis. Banco Products maintains a fundamentally strong financial position, evident in its debt-to-equity ratio of 0.3 and an impressive interest coverage ratio of 30.2 times in FY23. While the debt-to-equity ratio experienced a marginal increase in the most recent fiscal, the robust interest coverage ratio underscores the company's financial stability. Key metrics. Here are some key metrics to consider for Banco Products. Current market price, 515 rupees, market capitalization, 3,651 crore rupees, earnings per share, 37 rupees, price to earnings ratio, 13.34. Conclusion. Banco Products' recent volume growth and improved margins have paved the way for record profits. Investors should closely monitor quarterly sales growth and margins as well as keep a keen eye on the company's capital expenditure plans, particularly as the automotive industry undergoes a transformative shift towards electric vehicles. Banco Products appears to be a promising player in the automotive components sector, poised for a prosperous future. Let us know in comments below how do you rate this video. If you are holding any positions on Banco Products shares, do let us know in comments below. Thanks for watching this video. Happy investing.